guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I made a YouTube video. I think the last video I put up was probably 3 months ago. But the important thing to note is that I'm back, and I'm back with another skincare review. So the brand I'm reviewing today is called Derma Essentia, and they sent me a couple of things to try out. They asked me what kind of skin I had. I told them it was combination, so they sent me some stuff that works really well for combination skin, and I'm going to share all of that, like my complete review about it, with you today. So let's get started. The first product I have is the Derma Essentia Facial Cleanser. This is the oil-free foaming face cleanser. So it is a foam-based cleanser. I've been using it for about 3 weeks now, and I'm going to be very honest with you. When they actually sent across these products, I was going through a pretty stressful time, and it was showing on my skin. I had like tons of acne breakouts, and I'll insert a photo of what my skin used to look like. And I started using this face wash, and it actually worked really well for me. It has zinc, PCA and salicylic acid. So salicylic acid and zinc PCA, both these are actives that actually control your sebum production. So if you have oily skin or combination skin, it basically reduces the oil that forms on your face. It also unclogs your pores. So people with oily skin usually have bigger pores, larger pores, and a lot of dirt and gunk gathers in there. So salicylic acid basically helps with clearing all of that out, and all of this gunk tends to cause blackheads. So that's another thing. It helps with blackheads, whiteheads, acne. Basically gives you a much smoother complexion. I still do have marks on my face, but it's definitely so much better than before I started using this face wash. So this is one that I would highly recommend to people with oily or combination skin. Next up, I have their mattifying moisturizer. Now this product is super great. This is their oil-free moisturizer. So again, combination oily skin types, you guys are gonna love this. This moisturizer, it says it's mattifying, but it does leave your skin with a slightly like a slight sheen. So it's not oily, but it does have that slightly dewy effect. Again, this is one that I use during the day and at night. So after I'm done washing my face, I just put this on and I'm good to go. I love the texture of it, and I'm definitely going to repurchase this because I've kind of almost finished it already. And the last product I have is the Derma Essentia sunscreen. What I really like about the sunscreen is the texture. Let me just show you. It's actually almost over, but I'm just trying to squeeze out a little bit. So it does look like a cream, but when you move it around, it's actually kind of like a gel. So it's like a mixture of a cream and a gel texture. So this is a gel-based broad spectrum sunscreen with SPF 50, and it works extremely well. For me, my favorite part about this is that it blends really easily, and it doesn't leave a white cast on your face. I mean, what else could you ask for? And I've been looking out for a cruelty-free sunscreen, like a good cruelty-free sunscreen, for a while now, and I think this is it. I'm definitely going to be repurchasing it. Like I said, it's almost over. I think the bonus about this sunscreen is how amazing it smells. I'm not one for fragrance in my skincare products, but this honestly smells so great. It's super mild, but it has like this really nice, pleasing fragrance. So if you like fragrance in your products, you guys are gonna love this, trust me. And that's all for my review on Derma Essentia. I think it's a brand worth checking out. They sent me a bunch of products for combination and oily skin, but if you have dry skin, they do have products for that as well. So go check out their website. I will leave it down in the description below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.